is the 1st of December 2010, and happy trading to you all. The time in London right now is 15:54 minutes past 1 p.m. Okay, and Eastern time 8:54 a.m. Okay, so we are London is now open. We are now waiting for New York to open. I want to show you one of the trade that turned against me because, to be honest with you, I don't like to do video about losing trades. Why? Because the majority of traders are losing consistently, so they know more about how to lose than how to win. So also, when you are showing a losing trade for people, that will may affect them also psychologically. This is about things that affect the mind of people. Okay, they have a reaction to all the losses. So I don't want to step on their feet. But some people may disagree that they may learn from it. But you can perfectly teach somebody to trade without showing them or remind them about their past painful situation. Because when we are trying to remember painful situation, we need to be very careful about that, to handle that carefully in order not to stimulate all those negative effects. This is about my blah 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 blah. Okay. Now talking about trading here using the TSTW24 trading system. That's what we use. But yesterday I break one of my cardinal rule. That's why I'm doing this video. And this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither solicitation or an offer to buy or any recommendation at all. Okay. So this is primarily for the TSTW24 traders. Okay. Now, what we do when we are day trading, we do not trade before London opens. That's the rules of the TSTW24 trading. As a day trader, you do not enter your trade before London open. But it's down to you where it's not forced on you. We are not building one unique trading style, but if you are satisfied with your own method, that's fine. Okay, right now, what has happened yesterday, I break one of my trading rules, which means I shouldn't day trade, okay, before London open. But yesterday night, as we were expecting the euro to turn around and go up painfully, okay, as you can see, it was all the blah blah blah, the news, okay. And yesterday night, I decided to follow the market because sometimes they will do it late in the night. Okay, the smart money sometimes prefer a quiet money, a quiet market. Okay, where they come in and do their own thing before. But we knew that the euro should change direction since yesterday, and we were waiting for it. And I placed my swing trade, okay, around midnight London time. My swing trade, the swing trade is a different rule that I use. I do not talk about swing trading so much because it's the domain of a timing, different thing completely. Okay, now I placed a swing trading yesterday night for the Euro USD, which is working perfectly for me now. As you can see, the Euro just going up big time, okay, because all the bears are squeezed, okay. Now, and then I decided to place a day trade, okay. Now, which means I'm breaking my rule because I do not day trade during the Asia session. I day trade only when London open. So when I see this thing, I say, okay, I place my swing trade. So I say, okay, I'm going to scalp out and then go to bed. Okay. So I enter the trade in this region here. Okay, in the region of where I can't remember exactly where I was. Somewhere in the region of 12996, somewhere in this region here, somewhere here, probably somewhere here at 12992 region. Okay, 12992 region. My stop loss is exactly at this red horizontal line here at 12974. That was my stop loss right there. Okay, and I say, okay, it's a very tiny stop loss, 25 or what it got those. Okay, for day trading, I try to use constantly 30 pip, 30 for my stop loss. That's what I usually use. Sometimes I use even 24 pip or 25 pip or 26 pip, depending on my timing, how I'm getting it. I try to get it very accurately, but 30 pip is okay. Okay, but it's not the standard. You can have your own style and what you are trading, the volatility, the range. Okay, the personality of what you are trading, whether the stock or the currency. You do not use the same thing over and over. Okay. Now, so I was in the trade and the trade first staggered a bit and they came near my stop loss first, okay, as you can see here. And they didn't take me out, okay, and I was watching. I was quite lucky not to take me out for my they didn't take me out of my day trading. My swing trading, my stop loss is quite far away. They couldn't. So I worried for my day trade, which I'm breaking my rule not to trade before London open. and they tried to take me out. They couldn't. Okay, and right here they come near me here with this kind of. They didn't take me out here. Okay, but then suddenly the price went up, and I said, "Oof! All right, I'm out. I'm okay now." Okay, and there was some volume in this session, this candle. You see all this candle? It was quite huge volume. So I said, okay, my day trade is fine. Okay, so I just go to bed. Okay, and when I wake up this morning, you see, they came exactly there and took me out. Can you believe this? At 12972. Okay, I'll draw where they took me out from, gentlemen. This is what's happened sometime, and it's like a joke, you know. It's like a joke, really. I mean, for fun, they take you out nicely, just where this thing happened. Okay, so I'll show you what has happened. I'll color that green. Okay, so they came and took me out exactly at 12972. My stop loss is 2 pip up there. So they took me just with 2 pips. Look at that right there. I'll highlight that for you. They took me right there on the spot. Okay, they get me out of that trade only to run off. Okay, they took me out with 2 pips only, and only to run off the whole night when I'm sleeping nicely. Okay, they just took me out with 2 pips and ran off. Okay, this is one of the crazy things that's happened sometimes in the market. And since then they took me out, the market is just going up now. You see, since they took me out there, the market just continued to go up. But I'm lucky that my swing trade is still on at least. So, and also when I wake up this morning, I get my a small loss back using my TST W24 trading system. So this is about these are the things happening sometime when the market will do exactly what the market decided to take, and they take you out where they want to take you out. Or sometimes they may take you exactly on the dot. In this case, they take me out with 2 pips. So in case you are wondering whether God is against you or the market is against you, do not worry about it. This thing happened. It's nothing. It's just the market moving up and down. Even though the market is supposed to go up, as you can see, I was completely right with my thing, but I didn't want to risk too much. So according to my rules, I break my cardinal rule not to trade before London open. You see, and I got punished a bit here. But this is about sticking to your rule, your discipline, okay, and to follow that constantly, okay. I hope you enjoyed this video about being a discipline and to follow your standard, your rule, in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.